In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Shop Pay on Shopify. If you're looking to simplify your checkout, troubleshoot an issue, or pause accelerated checkouts for a while, turning off Shop Pay is quick and reversible. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting, what the toggle does, and a few tips to make sure the change sticks. Start in your Shopify admin. From your main dashboard, look toward the lower left corner and open Settings. Inside Settings, select Payments. This is where all of your checkout and payment providers are configured, including accelerated checkout options. Give the page a moment to load, especially if you manage several gateways. On the Payments page, locate the Shop Pay section. Depending on your theme and setup, you might see it grouped under the accelerated checkouts area. Click Manage in that section. This opens a panel where you control whether Shop Pay is available at checkout and on your storefront. Inside the Manage panel, you'll see a switch for Shop Pay. Toggle Shop Pay to disabled. When this is turned off, customers will no longer see the purple Shop Pay button on product pages, the cart, or at checkout. If you've been offering Shop Pay installments, that option will be removed as well while Shop Pay is disabled. Your other payment methods, such as credit cards and any additional wallets you've enabled, will still work normally. After you toggle it off, click Save. Look for a confirmation message indicating your settings were updated. If you don't see a confirmation, wait a moment and click Save again to be sure the change is captured. The update is immediate on the back end, but your storefront might cache the previous state for a short time. If the Shop Pay button appears to linger, try refreshing your storefront or viewing it in a private browser window. Themes that hardcode button styles can sometimes display a leftover visual element, but the underlying payment option will be disabled once saved. A few quick notes before we wrap up. You can re-enable Shop Pay anytime by returning to the same Manage area and toggling it back on, then saving. If you're a staff member, make sure your account has permission to edit payment settings. And if you run multiple stores, remember that this setting applies to the store you're currently in, so repeat the change separately for each store as needed. That's all it takes. You've successfully disabled Shop Pay on Shopify, giving you full control over how customers check out while keeping other payment methods intact.